And a machine fire IRM ref for Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 game. Roughest out here, hear me talk? No pussy test. No in earth.
Video. That one produced by Great Records, Young Dan Records, and Pogad Entertainment. Big up on a bumbo class, you see me? Big up 724 Beats. And it's mixed by T5 and RB Visual shoot it. A big up on a bumbo class, I'm gonna jump in the one and see what going on, man. Let's go on, man. Yes, see it, yeah? Alright. So first of all, this is a warning I found there, so hold on there. So here's a warning. It says, any props used in this video that shows the resemblance of any illegal materials are merely props and should not be taken seriously. Don't try this at home, all right? Don't try this at home. So I'm going to jump in one and see what Wellbaff said. Let's go. Regular night. Let's go. Pick up back in RB.
Japan next camera, $100 million.
100.
Still a hide from the camera. She just up in the 24.
X clean. Remember I said them are props here. Flanker. Big up a wall of mobile. Who ready? Hey!
Easy day, I've couple killers outside. We'll be stuck in them cheese. Oh, well, a nigga gon' die. Go, please, we kill enemies. We be going wild. Cartridge, we kill every priest. Many born white. I'll squeeze if it is a...
The floor youth! The floor youth! The floor youth! The man said, easy there.
Easy day, I've couple killers outside. We'll be stuck in them cheese. Oh, well, a nigga gon' die. Go, please, we kill enemies. We be going wild. Cartridge, we kill every priest. Many born white. I'll squeeze.
It's a treat we kill every priest, yes. It's a treat we kill your pussy them, cause we don't like them now. Remember say appetite when we kill one of them in the dog.
Easy day, I've couple killers outside. We'll be stuck in them cheese. Oh, well, a nigga gon' die. Go, please, we kill enemies. We be going wild. Cartridge, we kill every priest. Many born white.
Yo, I'm listening to them song, I just feel like, I just feel bad, brother. Yo, what ratchet there? Blood clot ratchet there. Yo, I'll take up my ratchet. Who take up my bomber clot ratchet? Yo, I can't call some ratchet, yeah. Yo, I'm looking at, yo, I just feel bad, brother. I just feel insipid. I just feel bitter.
I'll squeeze if it is a G, better go blind, don't freeze. When it's to the beam, better just fly. Badness are the remedy, make you know boy.
Badness are the remedy.
With a bright line, my gun bitches are very kind. Cause we start making cheddar infinite. Killers and bad girl every night.
Pussy clap. Yo, that one here shot, brother. Yo, knock it again from yourself. 100. More comma. That one you go left in the comment section. Go check them out. Tell them say you're Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶 game. I send you. If you watch it on the artist Instagram page, you don't know. Drop a follow. Yeah, man. Follow the page. Artist, you bad. Ready? Easy there.
I've couple killers outside, we'll be stuck in them cheese. Oh, well, a nigga gon' die. Go, please, we kill enemies. We be going wild. Cartridge, we kill every priest. Many born white. I'll squeeze if it is a G, better go blind, don't freeze. When it's to the beam, better just fly. Badness are the remedy, make you know boy. The G3 I travel with a bright line. My gun
killers and bad girl.
Watch I tell it time. Light up a spliff and chill out on a kite. We lock every girl in the city side. Member 350 up on the skyline.
Alright.
TD bank, she take the money and gone. She circle the square for go run up her funds. She done sell the house, she be selling her soul. And she fucking neighbor forget something else soul. And she
Yo, the man deal with this called wicked. The man deal with this called wicked. This called done circle up the square already. Sell her house, sell her soul, and she still want to sell more. She got fucking neighbor for sell something else. I want to you.
TD bank, she take the money and gone. She circle the square for go run up her funds. She done sell the house, she be selling her soul. And she fucking neighbor forget something else soul. And she not tell nobody, a smaddy, a send her road. Me the lock, so she like my one the account. She just want know the car, she not watch the amount. Fucking hell.
She don't watch your amount. Fucking hell.
Bitches are very kind. Cause we start make it cheddar infinite. Killers and bad girl every night. 4 series and never watch I tell it time. Like
I think the G is associated with Jamal, with the dunce them. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Me see the shirt, me see the shirt, me see the shirt.
killers and bad girl every night. 4 series and never watch I tell it time. Light up a spliff and chill out on a kite. We lock every girl in the city side. Member 350.
Yo, this sick dog.
Live cash, me the hunt. Live cash, send
Live!
my stress level just gone down. Me will make you have it if I make me feel awesome. Then
Yo, man said my stress level just gone down. We make you have it if you make me feel awesome, mama. Oh, yeah, did it!
my stress level just gone down. Me will make you have it if I make me feel awesome. 10K, take 1,000 and not fun. Me take the rest and put it on one carry you. Send me the card for your new account. Me can come now. Travel with a bright line. My gun bitches are very kind. Cause we start make it cheddar infinite. Killers and bad girl every night. 4 series and never watch I tell it time. Light up a spliff and chill out on a kite. We lock every girl in the city side. Member 350 the
Dogs them out. Easy there. Let's get you.
Stacking them cheese, oh well a nigga gon' die. Go please, we kill enemies, we be going wild. Cartridge, we kill every priest, when they born white. I'll squeeze if it is a G, make a go blind. Don't freeze when you see the beam, best I just fly. Bad knees, I the remedy, make you know boy. G3 I travel with a bright line. My gun bitches are very kind. Cause we start make it cheddar infinite. Killers and bad girl every night. 4 series and never watch I tell it time. Light up a spliff and chill out on a kite. We lock every girl in the city side. Member 350 up on the sky.
What to say? Easy there. Lord, say easy there. Easy there. Pussy class. Yeah, we got the fucking production team, bro. Girls are drugs. We got the production team. Yes, great records. Big up on yourself. Yes, man. Young Dan records. Big up on yourself. Also, my fam. Yes, RB visuals. Big up on yourself. Also, are you shooting visuals? I'm the visuals clean your work. Wellbaff. Well bad. You're well bad and you're well talented, bro. You have it, bro. You have it. Just continue to show me the thought, bro. I fuck with it. Yeah. One thing what is this I want to do, please let me know down in the comment section. I will be down there. Also, like I mentioned, if you're watching it on the artist Instagram page, please drop a follow up on Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓. But just click the name and follow it. Yeah, man, click the name and follow it. If you're watching it on Great Records, also do the same thing for me, please. You see me? Great Records, bad production, my fam. Big up yourself. Yes, artists, big up yourself as well. Regular night. Yeah, man, it's a regular night, man. Me like it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be down in the comment section. Peace.
Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. You don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you don't know.